right, fellas, a couple of weeks ago, well, actually about 2 months ago, I believe, me and Charlie Brown went up to California Sidecar to go get his trike taken care of. The spring got messed up, and we filmed. Well, actually, I had Will film a nice tour of the whole factory. So today's video is me going into the archives and updating you guys on California Sidecar. Now, keep in mind, there are many other different trike companies out there, but CSC is the relationship that I've built with these guys, and I'm loving it. I'm literally coming back from picking up some bikes and everything, and I'm sitting back and I'm like, yo, you know what? Let's release the video. So, Will, take it over, baby. It's all you. Let's go. I'll record. I'll be back.
Hey guys, Sensei gave me the camera. Yikes. We'll see how this goes. Charlie,
in a quarter of a mile, turn left on Colleen Road.
We're gonna do a quick tour of California Sidecar. So let's go, Charlie. So we're in the front of the building where all the crates are ready to be shipped out the door. You see that far one is covered with cardboard. That's finished crate ready to go. These guys are waiting for checkoffs, and then they'll be finished cardboarded. I got my guy Bruce over here with the forklift. He's putting everything on the kit, making sure all the parts are on the kit. I've even got kits on the wall, waiting for something. We just gotta, we run out of floor space, so we gotta have kits everywhere. We got wheels and tires ready to go, and you guys know we have our own wheels made to match the trikes. I got the silver Encore to match your stock front wheel, chrome Encore, and the black. We also make a 17-inch directional for your 01 to 17 bikes. Then we have a Indian and Harley wheel as well to match their front wheels. Coming through to the suspension area. All our suspensions are handmade right here by Mr. Wayne. He's got the belt drive rear diffs. He's building the belt drive suspension right now for a Harley or an Indian. All the parts he needs. And it's one guy, and he's gonna start in that corner and walk around. He's got A-arms, half shafts, the trays, the uprights, the rear diff. He's got shocks, springs, all the mounts are in the back corner there. And then I've got brake calipers, brake rotors, all the brake components there. And then we do park brakes as well for the belt drives. And then we come around for the belt drive stuff, and this is all the reverse and the front drive sprockets. All those parts. And somehow Wayne knows where everything is and how it all goes. Got a big warehouse full of parts for the kits. And we're gonna come to the clean room now. This is a small room we've built just to build, because we assemble our own calipers. We have our own calipers machined at our machine shop down the road, and then we assemble them ourselves. We assemble the ring and pinion, the rear diffs in the clean room. So he's got parts on the wall, more parts over here in the big press. We're doing all that here. Now we're gonna go back to fiberglass. Here's our body prep area. Body's ready to go. We're gonna walk through our little warehouse. Again, warehouse full of parts. Lots of parts. And some extra crates here, ready to go out. And then this is our fiberglass department. So again, we build all our own bodies here. We build our own molds. We're actually doing a mold repair right here. And then we've got our gel coat booth, our spray booth back there, our chop gun booth, and all the assembly is done right here. Got cardboard on the floor so we can protect our floors. It doesn't look like much, but we get her done back here, guys. All right. There's old Charlie Brown.
I'm hanging in here, baby.
Hanging in with us.
All in the man.
Back through the warehouse a little bit. Got bodies kind of just stacked up here in curing. We can't do body work on them right out of the mold, so they got to cure for a week or two. I got a grinding booth back in the corner. You can't really see. And I've got our two body guys. They got their booths. Big air exchanger in the back corner. It's cleaning the air, filtering all the dust and particles out. There's the grind booth there in the back. All these bodies sitting here waiting. Now we're gonna go through the curtain to the body shop. So here we got all these bodies primered, body work ready to go in one of the two paint booths. I got ground effects on the racks, ready to go in the paint booth. Two bake booths here, mixing station, and all the cabinets are there, are full of paint, of course. They come out of the paint booths, and here we have all our trikes. Here, this gold one here is a sneak peek. This is California Sidecar's body for our new demo. We bought a 2025 from Niehaus Cycle, and they're just, we're just kind of getting it together. So they sit here for a day, and here, and now we're gonna go through this next curtain. And this is the buffing area. So everything gets color sanded and buffed here. We got two spots for two people. Everything gets sanded with like 800 or 1,000, sometimes 1,500, and then buffed with the compound, of course. And then these guys are done and ready. So now we're gonna go forward again through the curtain, keeping all the dust where it needs to be. We're gonna come through to the trailer department now. So I've got ground effects here all painted and ready. And this is our trailer department here in the corner. We still build a few Escapade trailers. California Sidecar, of course, owns Escapade ever since the late 80s. And this is our Trike assembly area. So we got two ladies and a guy, excuse me. And they're gonna get a body that's just empty. And they're gonna put the wire harness in, they're gonna drill a few holes here and there, put the wire harness in, fit the tail lights, put on the accessories, put on the fender bras, the light bars, fit the lid, put the seal on the door. So they're gonna get a basic, here's a Harley body that's just empty. So it's painted beautiful, but the inside is just empty. Nothing inside there. And you turn around and you see, wow, a beautiful body all done. Tail lights in, license plate, reverse lights, door fit, emblem on there, tour box mount, shined up, ready to go. All plug and play on your bikes. So the whole bodies are wired and ready to go. Here's the Harley body, all ready to go on your bike. Tail light sitting there. There's a whole shelf of Encore tail lights and a shelf of Viper tail lights. And of course we design and have those tail lights made, the components, and we assemble them upstairs in the American flag office. And then all our upholstery is done upstairs. The fender bras, the carpet kits, stone shield for the trailers. And once the Trike is, the fiberglass is done in the back corner, body work, painted, assembled. Now it sits up here in the staging area before it goes on the suspension and in the crate. Some are a little dusty. They've been here a minute and ready to get out of here, but we've got a sea of bodies ready to be crated up. Two racks full of ground effects ready to be crated up. And we're back up here where we started in the installation service area. We're working on California Sidecar's new demo. We just sold our 24 white. A customer came in the showroom and said, I gotta have it. So we sold it. I didn't really want to, but here we are building the new 2025 anniversary. We're doing some special stuff, kind of like Charlie Brown did. I got the brown on the nose. We also did the fender. We went crazy and painted the fork. We're gonna paint some lowers. We're gonna paint a couple other parts. Oh, this is our new installer here.
What's up, guys?
Don't mess anything up, for crying out loud.
Hey, I'm gonna turn this trike into a bike.
Yikes, yikes. I'm too far along for that. I got a couple Gold Strike parts on here. They helped us out with this build as well. I'm not gonna leave the red calipers on. I'm gonna do something kind of crazy with those. And this is gonna be kind of like Charlie Brown's trike, just a kind of a one-off. So we're doing something just to be special, just because we can. I guess that's
Make it a one of one.
one of one. That's what we like to do here. Got lots of parts up here waiting to go on the trike. Charlie, what'd you think of that tour?
I enjoyed it.
Was it worth a 10-hour drive here?
It was worth the 10-hour drive, and it was worth everything I expected.
Great.
Quality, the workmanship. I spoke with two of the young ladies back there and told y'all been building trikes for me ever since 2005.
Yep.
Done built your share of them.
Yeah.
And every one of them has been top notch.
Awesome.
That's it.
Awesome.
So keep up the good work.
Good to hear from good customers.
But you know I'm a good customer.
We always hear from the bad customers, or I shouldn't say bad customers. There's no bad customers, but there is a troubled customer that has a bad experience, and everybody hears about that online. They post, they call, they do all that. But now you got me on the spot. But you never hear from the good guys. You never hear the good reviews. Obviously, you'd like to hear that stuff, but it's not always out there. You always hear the bad experiences and the guy that has a little trouble. And even Charlie Brown, he had a shock that blew out. Not typical, not normal. He only had 2,400 miles on it, and it probably happened a few hundred miles ago.
Yep.
That's not something that should ever happen, but you know, things do happen. We've of course taken care of it. It's fixed. It's going to be good, and no troubles going forward.
That's right. And you said about the review stuff.
Yeah.
Yelp. People on Yelp normally go to Yelp to read the bad reviews. You could have 50,000 great reviews,
Yep.
and it'll be probably 2 not so good reviews,
Yep.
and people will zone in on that. Guys, California Sidecar, you guys get him a holler. Let him know where you heard about this company from. That man right there, that's the guy. And him, who's this?
I love it. California Sidecar.
He's the guy
my
too.
baby.
We both the guys.
Is that the guy right there too?
Yeah.
This is who you think I am. And I got a can of.
Whoop ass.
Whoop ass if you don't believe me.
Let's
right.
go, baby.
That's
Yo,
Thanks,
let's
guys.
go. Let's go. Guys, get down here. I know you're thinking about getting that trike done. Don't think about it anymore. This is where you want to come. All right, we out here. Let's get these miles, let's get that money, let's get that muscle. We're about to hit the road, because guess what? I got to hit the road, drive back to Southern Honda Power Sports, drop his black butt off, then get back in the truck again and go to Mississippi. Yeah,
Hoorah!
let's go. Ha! Well, there you have it, baby. Guys, thanks a lot for always watching the videos here at Rod Fit Nation. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Remember, subscribing is free. You don't got to pay for it. We need to build a channel up to 30,000. Then after that, we're going to get to 50,000 subscribers. Let's go. You already know we have a good time here, but we only need the real people. If you ain't a real person, you don't belong to this channel. This channel is only for the real soldiers. Let's go. Let's get these miles. Let's get that money. Let's get the muscle. We out.